I've been testing out this extremely super hot heat gun from Steinel, and the results are in. I'm able to move really quickly with this heat gun because it gets up to 1300 degrees and it pushes out a ton of air. So that's going to allow the film to float freely where I want it to go. Because heat rises, I'm angling the heat gun upright and letting this powerful heat gun do all of the work. And look at it just shrinking and laying down. And remember, when you're heat shrinking, that the heat gun does all the work. Your hard card or your glove just verifies what you did. I'm an extreme fan of this heat gun. If you can afford it, purchase one. It's almost as good and fast as a torch. Enjoy.